Coach K community, is it your couch rot day? Same, but I want to add some movement into my day. So I'm going to get you guys moving on the couch today. If you'd like to add some resistance, I got the Bala brand weights today and I'm going to be putting them around my wrist. You do not have to do that. You are more than welcome to do this without any resistance. You can even do this with dumbbells instead of the weights around the wrist here. So we're going to start with just simple. Just relax on that couch. Bring those arms out to the sides of the room. Soften into those elbows. Slow and controlled, you're just going to resist in front of that chest. Slow and controlled, open back on out. And again, slow and controlled into that chest. Slow and controlled back on out for 9. Now, if you've seen advice on the internet about consistency, we know that some days you're going to show up and give 100%. Some days we literally got 10% in that tank, and that's totally okay. That's why I wanted to create this little couch to Pilates workout here. That way, when those days that we're just needing little movement, very low impact, this is the workout you're gonna wanna come back to. In a 5, we're gonna open and close overhead. In 3, going 2, last one here. Open out to the sides. Now open and close overhead for 10. 9, keep those shoulders back and down. 8, going 7, 6, 5, 4, going 3, 2, last one here. Open back on out, bend those elbows, flip the hands away from your face. We're gonna hold that lovely cactus pose here. Keeping those elbows up at shoulder height, slow and controlled. You're gonna reach both hands up towards that ceiling. Slow and controlled, bend both elbows down for 10. Reaching from under without raising those shoulders, 9, 8, 7, in 6. We're gonna hold it halfway up. In 5, going 4, 3, 2. On this last one, we raise it up, come down halfway, pause. Now from here, little pulses up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. So we're gonna transition to working those legs. So instead of these wrist weights being on my wrist here, I'm gonna go ahead and hook them around my ankles. Again, you can totally do this without any resistance on those legs. So we're gonna stay seated onto your couch here. All you're going to do is flex your right foot, slow and controlled, extend the right leg forward, slow and controlled, bend it back on down for 10, 9. You wanna think about squeezing the top of that thigh there. 8, going 7, in a 6, we're gonna hold that right leg out. In 5, going 4, going 3, we got 2. Now on this last one, hold that right leg out. Now from here, I want you to pulse up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, extend it out. Last thing here on the right side, let's create little tiny in the air circles for 10. Doesn't matter which way the mind told you to circle first, but as you're circling, you're still actively pulling that right leg up towards that ceiling for 5. In 4, let's reverse. In 3, going 2, last one here. Now reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. Flex that left foot. Slow and controlled, extend that left leg out. Slow and controlled, bend it back on in for 10, 9. Now, if you've been enjoying this nice couch rot workout here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And then let me know down in the comments what you liked about it, or if you would like me to make another one. In 5, we're gonna hold that left leg out. In 4, Going 3, going 2. On this last one here, hold. Now from here, pulse that left leg up and down an inch for 10. 9, squeezing from the front of that thigh. 8, reaching your toes up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last thing here, we create those little circles. Let's go. Create little circles for 10. You're still actively pulling that thigh up towards that ceiling. In 5, we're gonna reverse that circle in 4. Breathing through it. 3, 2, 1. Reverse that circle for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. If you have those weights like me, go ahead and take those weights off. Let's do some nice seated stretching here. We're gonna go ahead and bring our right ankle up and over that left knee. Fold the right knee over. Lean forward the edge of your couch chair and let's stretch in that figure 4. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Carefully unwind. Bring that left ankle up and over and lean forward for 10. You can push that knee down with your elbow if you would like. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's end with our seated meditation here. Bring those hands to that stomach. Relax the shoulders and that neck. Close those eyes. Let's take in that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well, I hope you enjoyed this nice, lovely couch workout here. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.